tell you now, Detroit's music's still alive. But in the crowd of players, so few really strive. Young blood all around, with guitars on fire. But the ones who live the sound, we never hear their why. Maybe in the teeny scene, some cats are real, but their vibration never hits the wheel. I heard so few bands that move my soul tonight. Just a handful of cats who can make it feel right. Hey. Being a musician takes the thrill away. Nothing really moves me, nothing makes me sway. I don't see a show, just men on the line, working like a job, same as mine. But to see a man climb and work that sound on another plane where the truth is found. Drive that engine till the night runs dry, man, and you just don't see that anymore, no lie. But when it goes for real, it burns inside. When the rhythm rolls like a runaway ride, the real gets strong and the copies will grow. The sound keeps rising, baby. That's all I know. Yeah, that's all I know. Come on. Yeah. The scene keeps shifting from the contact high. Same style spreading, echoes passing by. Bands chasing heroes, learning every move. Borrowing numbers, trying to catch the groove. Yeah, used to see clones filling up the hall. Influences pushing, driving them all. But the wave rolled over, things rearranged. Hey, even the leaders found the game had changed. But those who imitate will learn the flame. Feel that fire running through their veins. Hey, you get 4 or 5 souls on the same line. Hey, and the magic strikes in its own sweet time. One night on stage, everything aligns. Oh, people lose their head, oh, crossing all the lines. Oh, I felt it rising in my own crew. We were cooking in the groove, then boom, it blew. We don't play to please, we play to ignite. We unleash the monster every night. If they hate it, let them scream and cry. Yeah, soul explosion, taking them high. Our wild sounds like a raging storm.